YouTube channel. I am your property host for today, Pantaleon, and your licensed real estate broker. Today is a very wonderful day, and as wonderful as this house that we will be featuring for you today. And you know what? This house is situated in a hillside with an enormous view of the city. And we call this a newly built, modern, minimalist, three-story house located in the southern part of Cebu City, where siomai sa Tisa is very famous. And mind you guys, we are very close to the biggest mall in Asia, which is SM Seaside, Cebu. And the bonus is that once the third bridge will be finished, we will be very close to the airport. So, di na to magdugay-dugay pa. Tara, let's dig into this house. This is their two-car or two-big-car SUV garage. And this leads to the main door. And the main door has a lock system, or what you call that digital lock system that only you or the owners of this house can open. Upon entering, we will notice this very wide, sweet, solid mahogany wood. And this is their foyer that welcomes the guests coming into the house. And here, we can notice that this wall is intricately designed with a wood accent, where you can put your console table here or any other stuff to make this house beautiful. This whole area here, or what we call the ground floor, is purely intended for entertainment purposes only. And each floor offers an enormous view of the city. So these stairs here, one leads to the bedroom area and the other one leads to the kitchen area and the maid's quarters. Let's go first to the maid's quarters. This is a very modern stairway, and as you have noticed, we are using this tempered glass for the railings. And the paint here blends well with the light, which makes this stairway well lit and very spacious. Let's go downstairs, my favorite place in this house. So we are now in this hidden area where we can spend quality time with our loved ones. I call this hidden because it's like a hidden gem in this property. So this space here is intended only for the dining area. Imagine dining together with your loved ones and family with this beautiful view outside. At the moment, guys, we can go out, with its own toilet and bathroom. It's not small, it's quite spacious. It which can accommodate at least 2 beds, 2 bunk beds. So next to the maid's quarter is the spacious powder room. It's very elegant. I find this very elegant with a mirror here, and this is your lavatory. Already have seen how wonderful the basement area is, and now we are heading to the bedroom area. And mind you guys, the bedroom area is like all of them a master bedroom because they have a door. Each of them has a door leading to a balcony and an ensuite toilet and bathroom. So guys, there's no common toilet and bathroom here in this bedroom area. Let's go now. We will start in this middle room. So this is the bedroom number 1. It's very big and it can accommodate a queen-size bed. This wide casement window gives you a majestic view outside. This door leads to the balcony. Guys, imagine waking up every morning with this majestic view outside your door. Each room has a door leading to a balcony. Imagine guys, this will be your view every day. So this is another door which leads to the ensuite toilet and bathroom. So this is the bathroom area, and it's already enclosed with a tempered glass. So guys, as we can see that from the floor to the ceiling, it's all tiled. So on my right side and on my left side are rooms, which I think are both master bedroom. Let's go first in this room. This is I think, master bedroom number 1. You already have also an AC here and a majestic view just outside this casement window. And this leads to the walk-in closet. This is for ladies who want to have a lot of clothing. And this door leads to an air-conditioned toilet and bathroom. And now, last but not the least, is the master bedroom number 2. This is not your typical bedroom because it is a wide window which gives the entire room enough light, natural light coming inside this room. And just like the other 2 bedrooms, this room also has its own ensuite toilet and bathroom. The same with the other bedroom. The floor to ceiling height also is also tiled, and we also have this tempered glass up here, and a sink and the toilet. The same with bedroom number 1. It also has a door which leads to the balcony. So guys, there you go. I hope you like this property tour, and if you have any comments, please comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Once again, I am your property host, Christine Emily Pantaleon, your licensed real estate broker. And if you have if you would like to site tour with us or book a site tour with us, Please don't hesitate to call me at 0917 7999429 or 0933 or email us at myfuturehome101@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.